Yes, this is Elliot Fleming, and I'm gonna take out the processor out of this motherboard and put in a bigger one. Sorry about the shadow and the way it looks, but if you can see over here, I have several Q-tips and a cap full of alcohol. Now, let's get to work. I'm trying to give you an angle of the best way. Oops. I hope I ain't break no components. Kinda funny looking. And okay, that's out. Okay. Okay, it's not out completely. Alright. Set this screw off right here. Get a Q-tip. Roll it around in there just to get it. Okay. And I don't want to get this cook on my hand. You see how I got the majority of this off? I'm sorry I couldn't get a better angle at this here, but I'm the cameraman and the computer technician. I can only show you so much, so good, you know. And okay, I guess that's good enough. Let's get a little off right here. don't know if you can see them. It's a little lever right here that you pull out, and you open up the flap, like right up in here. Just like this here. And from there I can just reach in there and just take out CPU itself, and it looks like this here. I didn't quite get everything, but it's, you know, quite good enough. And the only reason I'm doing this here is because this processor is, I'm looking for the notches. Okay. Okay. The notches goes like right here. Okay, it's in there. Now, I'm going to get a little bit more alcohol and rub. Let's see if I can get it like this. Clean this off the best way I can. Yeah, it's coming out pretty good, I might say. I'm going to do it one more last time to get all of it off. I want to strip it all off of the old thermal paste. Yeah, you see how good I got that looking? And for those of you that doesn't know what thermal paste actually looks like, it would be this stuff right here. So, sorry for the bad angle. Alright. I'm gonna put a little thermal paste right here. And okay, now for those of you who watched, like when I didn't know that much about spreading the thermal paste, I would normally just take the heat sink and just sit it on top of it, but I got a better method. I'm gonna sit this camera down right here while I get a sheet of paper or whatever. Okay, and I got a piece of paper that I cut in half and I'm just gonna smear it out. And spread it out just like that. Add a little bit more for safe measure. Okay, and I got it on a pretty doggone darn well. If you can see, it spread it out nice and even. Okay, you always go counterclockwise like you do with a car. Okay. Okay, and you keep screwing it in until it doesn't go any further. You know, it's airtight. Okay, you're done right there. Let's finish it off of here. And the only reason that I'm actually changing the processor is because it's a little bit faster and efficient. Okay. Excuse me for my hand being in the way. But I'm actually putting back the top on to the thermal paste. You know, everybody has their preference, even myself. I normally use Arctic Silver, but just as a Cooler Master, it works good as well. Now, okay, let's get a quick glance at it. And if you haven't noticed by now, this is a e-machine. And people who actually watching this video, if you have any old e-machine that doesn't work anymore, I will welcome your donations, and if you would like it back, I will charge you $125 to put a. I'm gonna swap out old parts and put in more brand new. I will put in this gigabyte motherboard, same rip jaw memory, and if you like, I even put in a better heat sink. And if you still have the power supply that came with it, I will highly recommend to switch it all out, because there's nothing like putting new parts with old parts, and then if the old parts go out, then you stuck with what you got, another non-working PC. As you can see, I have 2 hard drives. It came with a 160 gig hard drive, and I got in another hard drive which is 500 watts. I use that for storage only. And if you hadn't noticed that when it came with this DVD rewritable CD drive, it was a IDE that came with it. Now let's put this. I'm not using this anymore. Okay. If you hadn't noticed, I'm a bit of a neat freak, somewhat. Now, I'm gonna get the lid here. Okay. If you hadn't noticed, yeah, it's a little scuffed up because I had a tag on here that I didn't want to display anymore. And let's go around. Same E-machine, better performance. Okay, and now we dispose of some of this garbage here, because that's all it is now. Okay. Okay. Slide this back. Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this all the way in there. All right. Slide it back a little bit more. Sorry about the angle for this, folks. Alright. And put it in the power supply. As you can see right there. Alright. And I just got this like this here for now. Alright, let's, oh, I forgot the little on off switch right here, and we should be good to go. this on. Let's slap this over, and voila. It's doing a post. It's gonna configure, update sequence. Now it's gonna do a little update because it's gonna detect a new processor, which is better. I believe the old one was 3.2, and this one is gonna read 3.3. I'm gonna put in the password. You won't be able to see it no way, so enter. I think I did pretty well with one hand. And as you can see, it's smart enough to catch on to what I just did. We're now 26 minutes into this video. Exit this and click yes, because I don't know. Okay, we're gonna click the start button, right click on computer and go to properties, and yes, it's 3.3 gigahertz. I'm gonna update the ratings as well, update my score. Now you see it's calculation per second 4.3, memory 5.4, desktop performance 4.3, 3D business and gaming graphic 4.0, and disk data transfer rate. Okay, and update my score. Click on continue. This takes a few minutes. Your screen might flash during this rating. Okay, it's running installation updates. Sorry for the shaking. I'm sorry I couldn't put this on my tripod because it's broken. Me being careless, this is what happens if you're not careful. I don't have a zoom in, but you see what I'm trying to show you here. Anybody out there, like I said, has an old e-machine. I love this W3609. I had it for 7 going on 8 years, and I'm sorry about the video looking crappy at the time, but I was actually doing a live record instead of taking my time and trying to rush through it. I wouldn't say actually rushing through it, because it was like I was just building a whole nother computer and installing a motherboard here. And this is going to take quite some time. And like I said in my last video, I don't know how to video edit. I will get into that soon. I'm gonna get some software when I can afford some. At the time, I'm a broke person. I mean, if you've seen the computer that I actually put together, you was to think I was a rich man. But okay, we are almost finished with this here process. soon folks, you're gonna see me order, well, you're not gonna see that part, but I'm gonna order a e-machine off of eBay, just to, as you would say, pimp it out. So, and we're gonna see what this everything is at now. It's not bad. It's a little different, I believe. Didn't take notes, and that's it for now. Oh yeah, I always run C cleaner to give you a better performance of your computer. I'm gonna analyze it, and as you can see at the top, it's cleaning out it's cleaning out your temp files, and I'm gonna do the registry as well. And also I'm gonna post this on Facebook and maybe Twitter, and I can't think of the name right now, but I'm gonna post it on 3 different I'm lost for words right here now. Bear with me. I mean, you know what I'm saying. Twitter, Facebook, and maybe some other time. I don't want to bore you or nothing. I'm already wasting valuable time. As you can see, my life is miserable. That's basically it, folks. I'm gonna cut this here short. I'll see you guys later next time when I order the e-machine off of eBay, so you can see how I roll with doing what I do best, and that's repair and service computers. Bye for now.